Hey everyone, today I'm showing you how to track BagsFM token activity on Solana using Bitquery's API. BagsFM is a launchpad on Solana where tokens launch on Meteora DBC. Let's see how to monitor all trades and transfers for these tokens in real time. First, let's stream all trades for BagsFM tokens across all DEX. The key identifier is the Update Authority address. This is BagsFM's creator program. By filtering for this address as Currency Update Authority on either the buy or sell side, we capture all trades involving BagsFM tokens. The response shows complete trade details, which DEX it traded on, Meteora, Radium, Orca, buy and sell token info with amounts in USD, prices, and transaction signatures. This works across all Solana DEXs, so you see the complete trading picture for every BagsFM token. Now let's track token transfers. When BagsFM tokens move between wallets. Same filtering approach, using the BagsFM Update Authority to capture all token movements. You get sender and receiver wallet addresses, transfer amounts in both tokens and USD, token details like name and symbol, and block timestamps. This is essential for tracking token distribution, identifying whale movements, or monitoring airdrops and team allocations for BagsFM tokens. The documentation includes several other powerful APIs, new token creation tracking, real-time USD price streams, specific token pair price feeds. All queries are in the description. Try them in the Bitquery IDE and start tracking BagsFM tokens. Drop a like, subscribe for more Solana API tutorials, and let me know what launchpads you want to see next.